Hi, I'm Laura from the LiveSchool team, and let's learn how to motivate your students with rewards from the LiveSchool store. Here's how to help a student spend their points. First, tap points. Then, choose the student. You can find them by the roster that they're in, the grade level that they're in, by searching for them by name, or by scanning their QR badge. Once you've got your student, choose Charge Rewards, and then tap the plus sign next to any reward the student wants to buy. You can add one reward or several rewards. If the reward will be delivered later, just tap Fulfill Later. You can also choose a future date to remind you of when it should be given. When you're ready, tap Charge to subtract the points from the student's balance. Students love that cha-ching sound, and they'll see their balance update in real time. And that's how to provide rewards in LiveSchool.